Greetings, health enthusiasts. Leo M here from Health Spiffy, and today, we're embarking on a comprehensive exploration into the realm of nutrition to uncover the unequivocal one best natural protein, according to health experts. If you've ever found yourself pondering the optimal natural protein source to elevate your overall well-being, you're in for a treat. Join me as we delve deep into the world of nutrition and unveil the unparalleled protein champion that has earned the acclaim of health experts worldwide. Introduction. Before we lift the curtain on this nutritional superstar, let's take a moment to underscore the critical role of protein in our daily lives. It serves as the fundamental building block for our cells, playing a pivotal role in muscle repair, immune function, and overall health. Now, as we turn our attention to the one protein that stands head and shoulders above the rest, brace yourself for a revelation that promises to reshape your perspective on dietary excellence. The protein powerhouse. Without further ado, let's shine the spotlight on quinoa. Yes, you heard it right. The unassuming grain that harbors an extraordinary protein punch. What sets quinoa apart from the myriad protein sources? The answer lies in its designation as a complete protein, boasting all 9 essential amino acids crucial for our bodies, a distinction that health experts consistently hailed as the gold standard. Nutritional benefits. Now, let's unpack the myriad nutritional benefits that accompany the inclusion of quinoa in our diets. Beyond its protein prowess, quinoa emerges as a nutrient powerhouse, rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, offering a holistic nutritional profile that contributes to a myriad of health facets. Digestibility. But what about digestibility, a factor often overlooked in the protein conversation? Here's where quinoa excels, renowned for its digestive ease. In a world where some protein sources may burden our stomachs, quinoa emerges as a gentle yet potent option, especially beneficial for those with sensitive digestive systems. Versatility. Transitioning seamlessly, let's explore the enchanting world of versatility that quinoa brings to our culinary canvas. Whether incorporated into vibrant salads, hearty bowls, delectable wraps, or even transformed into a nourishing breakfast porridge, quinoa emerges as the chameleon of the grain world, adaptable, accommodating, and endlessly creative. Sustainability. Beyond its nutritional virtues, quinoa champions the cause of sustainability. As a hardy crop thriving in diverse climates, quinoa requires less water and land compared to certain other protein sources. This inherent resilience makes quinoa not only a boon for our bodies but also a friend to our planet. General tips. Before you embark on a quinoa-filled culinary journey, let's navigate a few general tips. 1. Diverse diet dynamics. While quinoa is undeniably a nutritional powerhouse, balance is key. 1. Ensure your diet encompasses a diverse array of nutrient-rich foods. 2. Portion proficiency. Like any nutritional hero, moderation is essential. 2. Exercise mindfulness in portion control to maintain a harmonious nutritional intake. 3. Culinary exploration. Elevate your quinoa experience by rinsing it before cooking to remove any bitterness. 3. Experiment with various recipes to discover your preferred preparation style. And there you have it. A deep dive into the one best natural protein, according to health experts. If this nutritional revelation has resonated with you, don't hesitate to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Health Spiffy for an ongoing cascade of nutritional insights, and hit that notification bell to ensure you're always in the loop when it comes to our exploration of the wonders of wellness. Thank you for embarking on this illuminating journey into the heart of nutrition with me. Until our next rendezvous, stay spiffy and stay healthy, and I'll catch you in the next video.